Hello, I'm Mark Melling, CEO of All Things Melling, and I want to welcome you to our foundry here in Battle Creek, Michigan. One of our biggest philosophies here at Melling is to give our employees the tools that they need to be competitive on the world stage right here in the US of A. We keep investing in this company, and we're really excited about its future.
We've established ourselves as a top supplier of these difficult to make castings. Where we've really come and grown over these last few years is individually and internally improving our quality, improving our safety, and improving our turnaround to customers. All of that feeds into the engineering team and allows us to make the best castings possible.
We're not going to steer a customer into a situation or a process that doesn't make sense for their part. We're going to utilize our process versatility to offer them a solution that best fits their needs, whether that's a sand casting or a permanent mold casting.
We definitely have, I would say, a fine eye for the minute things, the little details.
You know, we want to make a good casting every day. We got to make sure everything that we do is set up to the way we want it.
It takes each and every person on a mold line to create one good casting. There's really not much left up to chance between your coating, your water settings, your temperatures, your melt temp. The person on the backside calling out defects and keeping an eye on everything and keeping that communication moving forward to your front-end operator, who is then taking that information and, using it to run the job appropriately. And the communication with the lead operator and supervisor and everything like that. It really takes a whole team to make each and every high-quality casting.
We have analytics now working with engineering that we are able to see before an issue actually becomes an issue. So that has helped with eliminating downtime.
We have an integration team that is completely developing their own robotic finishing cells. That includes all of the PLC programming, all of the physical fabrications from saw motor stands to grinders, and we have the ability to create a turnkey system that suits our needs.
As we look to the future, we are developing an automated pouring system in-house that will greatly improve the repeatability of introducing molten aluminum to the mold. This in turn will help alleviate a high turnover job currently being done by multiple people and greatly increase melt cleanliness.
We are a foundry that has a lot of guarding and a lot of protection to make sure that our employees stay safe and go home the way they came here.
The automated finishing at Melling has a lot of advantages, but a big part of it is just the consistency of the product of the castings finish when it comes out. From one operator to another, the finish is going to be exactly the same coming out of the machine.
We place a high value on our customer satisfaction. We do set ourselves apart with all of our engineering support, whether that's engineering support to the customer in a job launch scenario, or whether that's engineering support on the back end when we're finishing or automating a cell to assure operator safety, to ensure part consistency and quality. I think that engineering integration and support is what sets us apart to our customers, and that's why we're who we are, an engineering-driven foundry.
Thank you for checking out our foundry. Why don't you give one of our team members a call and see what it's like for yourself to be part of the Melling family.